Now, the House of Representatives is preparing to vote on a massive multi-trillion-dollar budget blueprint. Passing the plan is a crucial test for President Donald Trump's legislative agenda. It is not clear if House Speaker Mike Johnson has enough votes to get it across the finish line.
Our Washington, D.C. correspondent Brendan Scanlon has been following all the action today on the Hill. Brendan joins us now with the very latest. Brendan, good evening.
Hey there, Mike and Eva. Good evening. Well, early this morning, House Republicans told us that there would definitely be a vote on this budget blueprint. And then as the morning went on, we heard that there will probably be a vote on this blueprint. But as where things stand now, it looks like it is probably going to happen. The stage is set in the House for this vote on this blueprint package of legislation that is really crucial, Mike, as you said, in getting President Trump's agenda enacted into law, an agenda that includes a lot of tax cuts and a lot of spending cuts, but it's those spending cuts that still have a lot of folks here worried about what services and what programs could be impacted.
Good morning. It's a big day in America, a big day on Capitol Hill.
Tuesday, House Republicans working quickly to advance what President Trump calls one big, beautiful bill. The plan, expected for a vote Tuesday evening, paves the way for $4.5 trillion in tax breaks as Republicans work to extend Trump's 2017 tax cuts, and for $2 trillion in spending cuts. Cuts that could hit government programs that provide food assistance, student loan relief, and health care.
The Republican budget is going to take health care away from millions of working Americans and even children.
Democrats have fiercely criticized the GOP plan. Some Republicans even seeing pushback from concerned constituents.
No, she said Medicaid.
Reckless Republican budget.
As House Democrats rallied against the plan Tuesday, Republicans defended it.
What we're talking about is rooting out the fraud, waste, and abuse. Every taxpayer, it doesn't matter what party you're in, you should be for that, because it saves your money and it preserves the programs so that it is available for the people who desperately need it.
Although the plan is still a blueprint, some Republicans want to approach with caution.
I think we got to be really careful, and we talk about using a scalpel, not a chainsaw. And I think that's absolutely true.
With some moderate Republicans worried about program cuts and conservative fiscal hawks unhappy with the level of spending, Speaker Mike Johnson is racing to shore up support from his members who are still on the fence.
And we're excited about the progress, and I'm very positive, and I'm absolutely convinced we're going to get this done. I think everybody wants to be on this train and not in front of it.
Mike and Eva, this is really a difficult position for House Speaker Mike Johnson. He's trying to appease both those moderate conservatives who are worried about cuts to, say, Medicaid, as well as other Republicans, more hardline fiscal hawks who are not satisfied with the level of spending outlined in this plan. If the vote gets tanked at all, it's more than likely going to be because of those more hardline conservatives, those fiscal budget hawks, as they're called here on Capitol Hill. Now, the math can change for this vote, depending on how many lawmakers are present, depending on how many absences. But if all goes according to plan, House Speaker Mike Johnson can only afford one GOP defection. Reporting live on Capitol Hill for Erie News Now, I'm Brendan Scanlon. Mike, Eva, back to you.